Hi, it's Chelsea from the Natural Products Network. Most people never even consider parasites when fighting stubborn belly bloat, but I'm here to tell you that they can absolutely be the core issue behind this common problem. Did you know that up to 80% of people have parasites living in their digestive tract? And this is not just people that have traveled to exotic places. You can get parasites close to home. In fact, the CDC is recognizing parasite infections as more of a chronic issue. Not only are parasites creepy, but they can cause an array of problems. One of the most significant problems that they cause is how they influence food cravings. Parasites can drive unhealthy and sugary food cravings. The thing is that parasites feed on sugar. Have you ever thought to yourself that it feels like your sugar cravings are coming from a force that's like it's not even yourself, but something deep within? That could be parasites. And since parasites primarily live and thrive in our digestive system, this in itself can cause chronic bloating and inflammation. You might be thinking, well, I'll just take a supplement to get rid of parasites. But parasites can be very tricky to get rid of unless you use a whole body approach. The good news is I've spent decades learning the right parasite fighting approach, and I'm so excited to share it with you because it's really one of my favorite wellness tools. The 21-day Parasite Cleanse Challenge teaches you everything you need to know about getting rid of parasites naturally. You'll learn an array of tools that I know that you're going to love. Please check it out at the link below. And thanks for making me and the Natural Products Network a part of your wellness journey.